much stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today I went to Five Below for my first time and I got all this crap. All of that. And just to broadcast it, I'm gonna go get a box from my room and stuff. Okay? Be back in a minute. Bye. Okay, I got everything now. Just need to grab a box. Oh, there's one. Box. Stupid box. Okay, I got this poster. Gonna try to open it up later in the video at the end. This bug, which goes everywhere, dang it. All he does is move around. All he does is move around, dang it. So then I also got 2 fidget spinners. Dang it, I dropped one. That one's the best. That one sucks. I'll do a test if you want. Okay, be back in a second. Okay, you guys probably missed stuff. I got all that. And now the grand finale, this. Be back in a minute, guys, while I'm going to open it up. So this is the puzzle I picked. Add the ones I could. It's right here. Wait a minute. Unfold and stiff. Be back in a minute, guys. Look at the ceiling. Okay, I'm done. Chica, Foxy, Freddy, Bonnie. And in the middle it says Five Nights at Freddy's. So like the worms, I have the worms, I have the fidgets. Oh yeah, just so you know, that one wins. And then I got this little Nexo bug. He vibrates. I want you to hear the vibration. Okay, you probably can't, but look at him go. This goes everywhere, doesn't he? It's like an obstacle course for him, this right here. It's like the biggest obstacle course. Oh, long way around. Look at him. Trying to get his way through. Oh yeah, me and my dad going fishing. Lure. It's over there now. I might make a video of me and my dad going fishing, maybe, just maybe. Well, if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe, it helps very much. And hope you enjoyed the video. Bye! Stuff.